spring cleaning in your food cabinet.
All right, we're going to go to our cool school of the week. It is CTEC. A lot of people have heard of what this is, and some people haven't. But it's pretty interesting what they do. You know, they get you ready for the next level after high school.
Morning, April, coming up at CTEC. We're going to talk about the welding and fabrication class as well as business administration. What? How does that work together? Well, we're going to find out coming up. Stick around.
The kids want tacos.
They want them. Maybe not even just on Tuesday, every day of the week.
Taco day.
Taco day, yes.
All right, we're going to go out and taco to Rich Bonaducci this morning. He's at our cool school of the week, the CTEC program.
That was good, Dan. Really good.
Didn't make any sense, but still.
That was good, Dan. We're in the welding and fabrication area, except Dave Smith is here. He's with business administration. What is happening with this business class right in the middle of the welding area, Dave?
Well, as you've been highlighting, Rich, business is in everything. So at CTEC, we really look at the business students and how our CAPS program works. But right now, we're highlighting what we're doing with our business students in the welding because they're working on a project with our welding department. So I'll let them tell you more about that with Dalton.
It kind of looks like you're making a new scooter for me. Dalton, is this a new thing for me?
Yeah, so there's a group of welding teachers that put on a Utah CTE Weld Expo, and it's something we've wanted to get more involved in, and figuring out how that works here at CTEC has been challenging. And so pairing up with these business students to help manage that project, we've got like 5 teams that are going to build these mini bikes and go-karts, and then they're going to go compete down in that Utah CTE Weld Expo. And so these business students acting as the project managers have helped gather material, make sure the project's moving along on schedule, getting sponsors to sponsor their builds, and so that's been super useful for us. We've got students over here that have been, they're just starting to practice using the metal bender, the tube bender here, and we'll eventually utilize that to start building the frames. We're almost done with the planning process here and getting all of our parts ordered for those mini bikes, and so these guys are just now starting to play around with that.
Maybe they can trick out my scooter, put an exhaust pipe on it or something like that. So really quickly, tell me how does this work with you guys doing the business and this welding?
So basically, this is all about the project-based learning and being able to make something real for the workplace. So we learn valuable skills when it comes to welding, business, all kinds of stuff, so we can apply it to our future careers. So that's mainly what it's all about.
Okay, because it's more than just putting this stuff together. You got to be able to pay for it. You got to be able to finance it, right, Dave?
Absolutely. Yeah, and again, like you've been highlighting all the different programs, trades and tech is a huge thing in the industry. We can't find enough people to fill some of these jobs. So again, when we can teach them anything here at CTEC about what they do in their trades, there's always the business side of it, and that's what we do with this too. So.
Okay, and that's just one of the many reasons why CTEC is our cool school of the week, because these are all high school students from various places, Brighton over here and Jordan and whatnot, all coming here for about half a day to learn all these skills so they can hit the ground running when they graduate.